This video is an introduction to the motivations and technology behind a project we here at Spectra QEST have internally called QEST Web App. We've been working on the underlying technology and Frontend for a while, and we're excited to finally share what we've got with our customers. QEST Web App is the foundation we will use to migrate functionality from QESTLab to a more modern technology stack. Given the surface area of functionality present in QESTLab, a big bang migration approach is unsustainable, so this will happen over time, piece by piece. Performing this work over time allows us to continue to deliver value to our customers with new functionality and features at the same time. We are starting the migration with laboratory test methods, as this is a core offering of our products that requires continuous maintenance and upkeep. Updating the technology used to develop test methods also allows us to further automate our testing and quality processes. The first suite of tests that will be released is a set of key aggregate and soil tests for North American standards bodies. The worksheets we're building are intended to be used directly through a browser, but will also be available for use in QESTLab. This will allow our existing customers to keep their current processes in place, easing the transition to technicians using tablets to enter data directly at the bench. Tablets replacing paper will be one of the key benefits of the first release. A quick overview of the technology layers that we are using for this development. The front end is written in React, which is a library built especially for that task and maintained currently by Facebook. The front end talks to a RESTful web API that exposes features and data of the QEST platform in a logical manner for API consumers. The web API in turn communicates with our QuestNet service, which already has an extensive range of QuestLab compatible features. And finally, we have the QEST Platform database that we are already using as the data store. We are going to continue to use the existing data structures for test results and improve these where there is an opportunity to do so. This means that all of our customers' data remains in the same place, in the same centralized data store as we develop these new worksheets. Before diving into the functionality itself, it's worth spending a minute or two talking about why we develop test method worksheets rather than providing a tool set for our customers to build their own. At the heart of this is the fact that construction materials tests are deceptively complex, and we will see examples of the why of this in the videos that dive into the QEST Web App worksheets functionality. But for now, let's see what it takes to develop an admittedly complex worksheet for a PSD test at a very high level. We start with the test method itself, in this case ASTMD6913, which is itself over 30 pages long. We review the test method, all of the processes and permutations that it allows for, and develop a functional specification, which is a description of how the worksheet should behave for the end user. Things like what fields and buttons should be present and how they should behave. This specification has no technical design details in it, those will come later. The functional specification for this test method ends up being over 120 pages in length. We take this specification and transform it into a purpose-built technology platform to support CMT and geotechnical laboratory and field workflows. If you would like to see QEST Web App in action, there are further videos available covering some of the specific features and test methods. If you have any questions or would like more information about QEST Web App, please contact Spectra QEST.